My name is Matt with Quick Response Fire Supply, and today I want to talk about Cleanroom cover plates and the air and dust seals that make the installation of certain covers usable in a cleanroom environment. To start, cleanrooms are controlled environments used in industries where even microscopic levels of dust, living organisms, particles, and other contaminants can ruin products or research or even harm people. Cleanroom cover plates reduce air movement and prevent contamination from small particles, and are typically used in hospitals, pharmaceutical, or other medical facilities, and manufacturing that requires a sanitary or sterile environment. These cleanroom seals wrap around the lip of your cover plate and are flush with the wall when installed properly. The seal is what prevents any contaminants from entering the room. Air and dust seals are available from all major fire sprinkler manufacturers. They are listed and designed specifically for certain cover plates and concealed sprinkler head combinations. Always review your fire sprinkler's datasheet to determine whether a cleanroom application is available with your fire sprinkler and cover plate. To view our full selection of air and dust seals and find the right one for your cover plate, visit QRFS.com/cleanroom.